Hi, I'm Hal from Team Chi Delta.
Hi, I'm Tom.
I'm Bryce.
I'm Allie.
And I'm AJ.
And our game show is for our client Peter. He is deaf and developmentally disabled. He's very optimistic. We went and visited him. Very sweet man. He is hopefully really going to like this project. But essentially our goal was to create a device that helps stimulate motor devices for Peter so he can improve his attentive skills.
And so for our code, it's a pretty basic code where we have an on and off switch. And so if that switch is turned on, then it goes to the next statement where if a button is pressed, then the LED strip turns on. So whichever button is pressed first, the LED strip turns on. And then the RGB light on top of the dome will turn that color. And if it is not pressed, then the code just ends.
Okay, for the final project, basically we have a cylinder in the middle, and then I have 4 buttons on each of the side of the cylinder. As AJ said, whichever button pressed first, the light will light up. We are so far working on the picture of the cylinder, the whole final project, but soon we'll post it on the final poster. And so for here, this is our button. This is a exploded view of a button. The button's basically handmade. There's a dome in the middle. There's a dome push button in the middle, and then there's acrylic sides we made to make it more neat and more safety.
So for the circuit schematic, we have wires connecting from the buttons to our adjustable LED strips, which is all connected to a Arduino Mega board that contains the code that AJ came up with. And then all those are also connected to the RGB LED that lights up the dome.
And so basically the code is designed for the button. Whoever hits the button first is going to win the game, and ultimately the RGB at the top will light up. But everyone that presses a button will actually, the adjustable LEDs will light up on the sides to make sure that they know that their button was pushed. Would you like to go over our budget?
Okay. So the budget is almost $190, and the most expensive one is the outside cylinder. And we got a lot of things from the smartphones, like the Arduino LED and some switches and some audio jack from smartphones. And then we got the inside cylinder, the PVC plastic from the Home Depot. And sometimes the LED things we will got from our machine shopping inside of the CUB. So right now, this is our schedule things, and at first we make a lot of brainstorm about our game show. Is a cylinder or is some the rectangle one like that, and then finally we figure out the last one thing, a dome in the top and the cylinder, and for bottom at the bottom. And so when we find out our last our imagined things, and then we will buy a lot of things from online, and then when all the things come out, we will write our code at the same time and building all the things together.
And so that is our game show. We hope that Peter really likes it, and we want to thank Professor Pickett-May, Doug, and the 5 TAs, Matt, Thomas, Caitlin, and Malika, and then also the stores where we bought from, mostly from SparkFun and Adafruit. All right, this is Bryce from Chi Delta, and we have our game show working here. As you can see, we have our 4 buttons and our dome here that will light up the color that is first hit. And here we go. And as you can see, it works.